Hey everyone, welcome to Neil's World, and in today's video let me show you this small little tripod that I've got from Amazon. It is the Ulanzi flexible tripod and the model is MT11. There are different models similar to this one, but this is one of the cheapest available tripod over Amazon. So it cost me around 1300 Indian rupees, and let me show you what is inside the box. It's a pretty simple box, and let me show you what is there. You get this quality assured card. I don't know how much quality will be inside, and you get this tripod wrapped in bubble wraps, and you have a small user guide type of thing, and it's written in Chinese. So let's get this tripod out of the cover. So this is the tripod. It's like this. It's a flexible tripod. So you have got the legs, which are aluminum and flexible legs. Okay, and you have got this ball head. Okay, you get this ball head. So it's pretty good. It works well, this ball head, and using this 1/4" thread you can directly attach your camera. Because my camera is running over there, so I cannot show you how to use a camera, but this little ball head is also having this bubble level, so you can put it in your tabletop and then check with the bubble level to see whether it is leveled or not. This looks pretty sturdy. The ball head looks sturdy and it stays in place, and there is a small attachment screw where you can attach other attachment like a microphone or any other attachment over here using this small screw. One of the utility of this ball head is that you get this thing extended, and it is a smartphone mount. So for example, let me show you. You can attach your smartphone like this. If you have a smaller camera like the one I'm using right now, like the Sony ZV-1, you can easily attach using this 1/4" thread. Okay, so this is a very simple tripod. I think it will be very usable, and it can be used as a what you call a vlogging tripod like this. There is one more thing. It's a cold shoe mount over here, where you can place any external mic which you connect to your camera or your smartphone. That can be done using this cold shoe mount. So overall it looks fine, and it looks pretty decent. I think it will be very usable at a budget. So if you're looking for a tripod which is a bit sturdy as well as got some utility, you can use this tripod as a vlogging tripod or as a mini tripod, which you can put it in your backpack very easily. This is a small tripod which you can use, and I hope this little introduction to this tripod will be useful. If you're searching for a tripod like this, you can go ahead and buy this tripod from Amazon or Flipkart, or you can directly order from the Ulanzi website. Thank you very much. See you soon.